Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make incredibly soft scrambled eggs. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently with a fork, just enough to break the yolks and combine. For extra richness and a creamier texture, stir in about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Finally, season your eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper before cooking. Now for the cooking process. Heat a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. This is crucial for softness. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter and let it melt completely, coating the pan. Pour in your egg mixture. Stir the eggs constantly with a rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. This gentle, continuous motion prevents large curds and promotes a smooth, creamy texture. The key to truly soft scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. Remove the pan from the heat just before the eggs are fully set and still look a little wet. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to perfection. Stir in a small pat of butter for extra gloss and richness, if desired. Serve your perfectly soft scrambled eggs immediately and enjoy. To ensure your scrambled eggs are always soft, avoid common mistakes. Never cook them over high heat, as this will make them tough and rubbery. Also, resist the urge to overcook. Pull them off the heat when they are still slightly moist. For more cooking tips and other great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.